Okay, so we got a problem here. Actually, we got two problems. First one, my computer's not fixed yet, and my tractor doesn't want to start. So let's try and start it here. I've been cranking it for a while, so it's probably flooded out. Well, this is what it was doing, but it actually didn't start up the last time. What's going on? Did the dog just bark? Shut up. Daisy, shut up. Alright, we're going for broke here. Daisy, shut up! No idea. Guess it just decided it didn't want to start. Oh, well, that's okay. This eventually the Kohler's KT17 is going to get replaced anyway. Daisy, if you bark again, I'll slap you. side. I'm sure you can hear the ticking sound it's making. It only does it every once in a while. There. That. I don't know what it is, but it's getting worse. So. Sound it's making. It's like a wrist pin or something. They're shooting pretty constant now. It's not doing it anymore. That's the problem. Hear it? It's making a ticking sound and it's making a louder ticking sound too, so. Yeah, this engine is probably not so good. Oh well. At least it still starts. For now. Hopefully get my computer going soon. That's why I was making videos. Sorry guys, catch you later.